Hello guys, today we make another kind of Italian salami. We do the BOUDIN from Valle d'Aosta. The name is not really Italian, but it's French, so probably the pronunciation is wrong. You know that with the language I have a lot of problem. But first of all, I want to thank l'uomo di casa for this beautiful gift. He made this papillon. Today all the words are French. Homemade. He had made this by himself and sent me this one like a gift. So thank you, l'uomo di casa. If you want to do the same at home, make your homemade papillon, you can follow the video here. Okay, coming back to the recipe. This kind of salami is very particular because was at the time where there was no money. So the meat was expensive and they used other things instead of the meat. So they was using the potato and also the beetroot, a little bit of meat. At that time they was using the blood too, but I don't like the blood. I will never eat the blood, so please don't ask me to make the boudin with the blood. We will use this. That is really also original recipe. For this recipe, now I read you the ingredient. We need 1100 grams of potato, 300 grams of beetroot, 600 grams of bacon or lard, fresh one. After we will cut it, we will prepare it. 70 grams of salt. In the salt I already add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder and also a pinch of nutmeg. Plus we need half glass of wine. In the wine I put 1 clove of garlic that after we will remove. First of all, now we put the potato in the pot, we add the water, we should boil them. The same things we will do with the beetroot. And after I explain you other things about the meat. Now we should boil our potato and our beetroot. How long? I don't know, because it depends on the potato or the beetroot that you find. When you try with a fork and the fork can enter inside easily, they are ready both, so you can remove from the water. Now we can prepare the meat, but before I want to speak about the gut. The gut, if you ask to your butcher, you need to ask the gut, the natural one, with the diameter 55 millimeter, more or less. But here, under the video, in the comment, in the description of the video, I put the link so you can buy it online. Usually they sell it in the salt, so we wash our gut under the water, fresh water. We put in a container like this with some water. Water always at room temperature, not, if not you cook your gut. And we add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Apple vinegar is perfect. Now we can prepare our meat. We should remove the skin, we can use for other recipe. And some piece of the fat, the lard, I will cut in cubes. In this way, when you will cut the salami, it will be more nice to see. In the fat will melt in your mouth. The other piece of meat, we will use the mincer, because after we will put everything, potato and beetroot, in the mincer, and we will mix everything together so that the salami will be more balanced. After 30 minutes, the potatoes and the beetroot are ready, the meat too, so now you remove the potato from the hot water, we peel them, be careful because they are very hot. After, when they are warm, we can put the meat and the potato inside our mincer and we ground them. Naturally, now that I clean the potato, I don't show you how to do it. I think that you are able to peel the potato also if you don't watch the video. Mix all the ingredients. Now we add the wine in this ingredient. We throw away the garlic, remember, the salt with the spices and also the small cubes of lard, the fat that we put apart. We mix everything very well and after we put everything in the gut. Only one thing is remember that the beetroot is dangerous. Better if you do like this. After that you tie it very well, with a needle we need to make some hole in the gut. In this way the air inside will go out. Now I'll show you. Now we should age or mature our salami. This salami is from the mountain, so cold temperature and dry air. Where we can find this condition? In our fridge, because the temperature more or less is 5 Celsius degree and usually the air is dry because the fridge tries to remove the humidity from inside. Usually you should wait 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, maximum 20 days. So now we'll put in the fridge. See you for the tasting when they are ready. After 20 days, our salami are ready, but at the beginning I say that we can store in the fridge. My fridge, instead of dry the salami, was giving more humidity to the salami. So I decided to, after 5 days, more or less, to put my salami inside my Biltong box. Because here is winter, there was no problem. But with the light on, the air was moving and now they are dry. So you have to try, because different fridge, different country, different weather, every time is a surprise. So for me, The necessary day was 20, maybe in your country will be only 10 or maybe 30. I prepared also the bread, like you watched in the last video, the bread from Val d'Aosta, same area. So now let's try our salami. Spectacular, especially because the salami is a little bit salty, but with the bread that is a little bit sweet, match perfectly. It's very, very spectacular. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you Carmela for asking me to make this recipe. If you like Carmela, you have some requests, please write down in the comment. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe here on the channel and please share this video with your friends. Bye bye. One thing, we don't eat the gut. I forgot to show you that I remove it. If you eat, nothing happens because it's natural one, but it's not necessary. Bye bye.